Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Amino Energy Orange is probably one of the most versatile and effective supplements on the market, offering a potent blend of amino acids and energy-boosting ingredients designed to enhance your workouts and daily performance. Whether you're looking to push through a tough training session, combat midday fatigue, or simply need a clean energy source without the jitters, this vibrant orange-flavored option provides a delicious and convenient way to fuel your body and mind. Its carefully crafted formula aims to support muscle recovery, improve focus, and increase endurance, making it a go-to choice for athletes and active individuals seeking a competitive edge. Number 5. Optimum Nutrition Amino Energy Orange Cooler. Introducing Optimum Nutrition Amino Energy, your go-to for enhanced workouts and daily vitality. This blend is designed to support your active lifestyle. Our expertly crafted amino acid blend aids in muscle recovery after intense training. Feel refreshed and ready for your next challenge. With 100 milligrams of caffeine, it provides the energy boost you need to power through your day or a demanding workout. Stay energized and focused. Don't let the day's demands overwhelm you. Its unique formula helps sharpen your mental focus, keeping you on track. Perfect for any time, it helps you start your morning energized, stay productive in the afternoon, or fuel your gym sessions. It's your versatile energy solution. Enjoy the invigorating orange cooler flavor while benefiting from its powerful ingredients. It's a delicious way to support your goals. What we like. This offers a balanced blend of amino acids for recovery and caffeine for energy. If you're looking for a versatile supplement to power your workouts and your day, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who need both physical and mental support throughout their activities. What people say. It contains essential amino acids to support muscle recovery and endurance, along with a balanced dose of caffeine for strong focus and performance. It tastes great, mixes easily, and doesn't cause stomach discomfort. The mix does give me energy to get through a workout without over-energizing me or giving me the jitters. I also appreciate the added amino acids as I feel like this helps my recovery time. Number 4. Xtend Original BCAA Powder. Introducing Xtend Original BCAA Powder, your ultimate post-workout recovery solution. It's designed to help you train harder and recover better. Each serving provides 7 grams of BCAAs in a clinically studied 2:1:1 ratio, along with 2.5 grams of L-glutamine. This powerful combination supports muscle repair and growth. Enjoy delicious, sugar-free branched-chain amino acids that aid in muscle recovery and growth. It's the perfect way to refuel after a tough workout. Rest assured, this product is NSF certified and Informed Choice certified. It meets strict standards for quality and safety, ensuring it's free from banned substances. Consume at least 14 grams daily to optimize your recovery and hydration. Added electrolytes help you stay replenished and support your body's recovery process. What we like. This product focuses heavily on muscle repair and recovery with a significant amount of BCAAs. If you prioritize post-workout recovery and want a sugar-free option that's trusted by athletes, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who train intensely and need to bounce back quickly. What people say. BCAAs provide you with more muscle mass retained, and a greater percentage in loss of body fat. This flavor tastes so similar to actual fresh squeezed oranges it's pretty mind-blowing. And I definitely notice the richness they imitate in blood oranges, so it's not at all like a standard Tropicana OJ, it's better. They really nailed it in the flavor department for this one. I have not been sore at all taking this stuff. Sometimes I don't stretch. I am not in the best shape. When I started using this I was 240 pounds, I'm 5 feet 4.5 inches, I am now 195 pounds. I don't swear by a lot of supplements but this to me is a must-have. Number 3. HydroMATE Electrolyte Powder Variety Pack. Are you feeling drained, fatigued, or dehydrated? These powder packets are your instant solution to recharge your body with essential minerals and restore balance. Packed with essential minerals like vitamin C, sodium, potassium, and magnesium, this powder is designed to keep you hydrated and energized. This is the clean, low-sugar choice for hydration, with no artificial colors and only 10 calories. It's crafted for health-conscious individuals and fitness enthusiasts. These travel-friendly packets provide instant hydration with ease, ensuring you stay refreshed wherever life takes you. They are moisture-proof and perfect for on-the-go. With 30 easy-to-use packets, this solution offers 3x more hydration than water. It's the perfect, healthier alternative to sugary drinks. What we like. This is your go-to for rapid hydration and replenishing essential minerals. If you experience fatigue or dehydration, especially during busy days or workouts, these packets are a lifesaver. They are ideal for anyone needing a quick, convenient, and healthy way to restore balance and energy on the go. What people say. It dissolves easily, has a refreshing taste and helps replenish electrolytes so that your body feels balanced and energized throughout the day. Flavor is a little strong, so used one packet for my 40-ounce tumbler and that was perfect for me. Liked the flavor much better than Gatorade or the other packets I tried. No nasty aftertaste. These low-sugar electrolyte packets dissolve instantly, taste clean, and gave me a noticeable boost in energy, hydration, and mental clarity on days packed with caregiving tasks, errands, and long hours. Number 2. Jacked Factory NITROSURGE Shred Pre-Workout. Introducing the cutting-edge thermogenic pre-workout drink designed for men and women. Achieve your leanest self and perform at your peak in the gym. Experience clean energy, improved blood flow, and enhanced stamina. Gain precision focus to dominate every training session without sacrificing hard-earned muscle. This potent formula boosts nitric oxide levels and blood flow to your muscles. Maximize pumps, endurance, and fuel muscle growth for superior results. Our pre-workout powder contains no artificial fillers or food dyes. It's manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility, ensuring purity and potency without harsh chemicals. Featuring a powerful thermogenic blend, it helps you achieve a leaner, more sculpted physique. Get ready to transform your body with every workout. Experience instant strength gains and sharp focus to elevate your performance. This energy booster is designed to help you achieve your fitness goals faster. What we like. This supplement is designed for those aiming for body recomposition and enhanced performance. If you're looking to get lean, boost strength, and achieve powerful pumps with clean energy, this is your match. It's perfect for individuals focused on sculpting their physique while maximizing their gym efforts. What people say. This supplement provides a serious energy boost. I feel more awake and ready to tackle my workouts within minutes of taking it. One of the standout features is the mental clarity and focus it provides. I'm able to stay concentrated throughout my workout, which helps me push harder and get the most out of my workout. The nitric oxide booster gives me incredible pumps. My muscles feel fuller and more vascular during and after workouts, which is a great feeling and motivates me to keep going. Number 1. Mega Liquid Multivitamins with Turmeric. Discover a premium liquid multivitamin packed with essential nutrients. It's a delicious and easy way to support your health. This superfood blend features 135 all-natural, whole food-based ingredients. You won't find any artificial sweeteners, flavors, colors, caffeine, gluten, or added sugar here. Tired of swallowing pills? This tasty liquid alternative is loved by everyone from pro athletes to medical professionals. It's the perfect choice for those who prefer an easier way to get their vitamins. Free from GMOs, soy, wheat, and dairy, this formula is designed for all. Plus, with every purchase, you help a U.S. child in need through our nonprofit partner. Experience enhanced absorption with our liquid delivery system, allowing up to 98% absorption within minutes. Its aloe vera base is gentle on your stomach and great for hair, skin, and nails. Perfect for women, men, seniors, teens, and even toddlers. Just 1 ounce a day provides essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. And the best part? It tastes great, even for kids. What we like. This offers a convenient and highly absorbable liquid multivitamin with a wide range of nutrients. If you dislike swallowing pills or seek a comprehensive, whole food-based supplement, this is an excellent alternative. It's suitable for almost everyone, from children to seniors, looking for an easy way to boost overall wellness. What people say. These liquid vitamins go right into my bloodstream and help me to maintain a steady energy level. The textures reminds me of orange juice, easy to take. I use it for my whole family. We love it and will be buying more. Has everything in one bottle, vitamins, and minerals. No stomach upset. It doesn't smell very strong. It's kind of citrusy, taste better things, but it's not that bad and it's a good size and good value for the money, and most of all it works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.